Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi for those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining another wig review. Today's wig that I'll be reviewing today is by Outre, so go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and I'll give you my 2, 3, 4 cents of whether you should be picking this wig up. Let's go.
I walked in your love like a hotel lobby. Took all of my pictures before the city forgot me. Love comes so easy and you've got so many friends. They throw parties in the ballroom of the hotel that you live in. If I could stay, things would never be the same. If I could stay, but you live in a hotel on a mountain. Thanks for gracing us with your time. But you live in a hotel on a mountain. Thanks for gracing us with your time. Thanks for gracing us with your time. Thanks for letting us come inside. Time to say goodbye. 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 Goodbye.
I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? 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 I guess the only question that I have today for you is, do you feel the way that I do? It's been a long time now since we've been face to
So now that you have watched me install the wig, let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the wig. The name of the wig is Outre in the Color Bomb collection in the style Kayleen. I have the unit in the color 3DR2 Ginger Ombre. The unit is 22 inches, is a left side part. It's said to have the reverse ombre effect. And you know, for the ombre, it's the darker color up top and the lighter at the bottom. This one, reverse, lighter at the top, darker at the bottom. The unit does have AG transparent lace. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees. Does come with natural baby hairs. It is pre-plucked. And that's all it says on the stock card. Look at this collection. Ooh wee. Can y'all see that? Yes, honey. The colors, yeah. So if y'all remember, I think it was July, I did a Color Bomb Jalise, and I had the 3 colors: the purple, the orange, the purple, the orange, and the blue. Yeah, so it's the same collection, the Color Bomb collection. So you know I had to pick this one up, honey. You know, and really, this is the color that I wanted. It was in my cart, and can you believe it sold out in my cart, girl? I was disappointed. And then I thought about getting this one, but then I remember a few months back, I did a collab with Jaden. And I got a unit, and it had the blonde that looked like that, and I ain't too fancy, so I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna like it. So I hope Jaden got that one, so I can see how it looks. So then if I change my mind, I could go ahead and get it for my own personal stash. I don't have to review it again. So I'm waiting on her review, like, patiently, Jaden. So if you're watching this, I'm patiently waiting. Like, can you get it done, like, in a few weeks, so I can see, so I can pick it up before it sells out? So yes. So the color I have again is 3DR2 Ginger Ombre. I don't know where I would wear this unit to, and I don't know why I paired it with black. I should have put a brighter color so you could see it better. I feel like I didn't do it justice by wearing a black bodysuit. I don't know, but yeah, if I remember, or if you know, if my schedule allows me to post on Instagram, because child, that schedule does not allow me to do nothing outside of YouTube. I'm sorry, it just doesn't. I be trying, but it does not. Okay, but if I do remember and my schedule allows, I will go ahead and put a different shirt on, maybe like a white, so you can actually see the hair. Like, I feel like with the black bodysuit, it doesn't really help. But I am not dirtying all these clothes just for y'all on YouTube. I'm sorry. Detergent is expensive and water is expensive, okay? So if I remember and I'm going out, then I'll take it. I hope you understand, because everything is high, okay? Everything is high. So this is how I did it. Just like the stock card. The unit is not beginner friendly. The unit is very beginner friendly. I took it out of the stock. I took it out of the box, cut the lace. I did tint my lace. You don't have to if you don't want to. You could just use like foundation. It's up to you. You don't even have to use nothing. And I put it on my head, and I think it took me 7 minutes. That's how quick and easy that was. So beginner friendly, yes. Beginner friendly, not so much. It's a little bit snug on my head, just a tiny bit. But yeah. So it did have a bit of tangles, but I had to do some digging in my stash to get this spray. What is it called? The Bonafide Natural Oil Free Wig Shine. It says for UV protection. It says for wig shine to remove dull and dry. To apply to your unit so your unit is not dull and dry, but when I use it, it takes away the tangles. So it take away the tangles. So that's what I use it for. I don't know about dull and dry and all that other stuff. I mean, a wig gonna be a wig. Unless if it's a human wig, then you could. But I mean, a wig gonna be a wig. But I got that to remove some tangles, and it's working just fine. I don't have a lot of tangles, but this is what I came up with. So what do you guys think about the unit? Do you like the reverse ombre? Is that something that interests you, or you just prefer the regular ombre? Dark up top, light at the bottom. What do you think? Let me know down in the comment section. Because the unit is so quick and easy, there's nothing much I have to say about the unit, but go ahead and pick it up. I will try to remember to leave a link down in the description so you can purchase the unit. I know sometimes I say I will leave it, and then someone comments on the video like, where's the link, and I'm like, oh darn, my bad, let me go get it, you know. But yeah, so I will try my very best to leave a link down in the description so you can purchase it if you're interested, and hopefully it's not sold out by the time my review goes up, because it's a new release. I think it came out this week. This week as in the week of the 28th of August. So that's when it came out, the prior week, like last Friday or Thursday, one of those days before the 28th. Today's Sunday, so whatever that is, 26th, 25th, one of those days it came out, and I purchased it like right when I got, because I was like, oh, I gotta review this. But that's all I have for the wig review. That's all I have for the review. If you are interested in the makeup, I will leave a link down to the makeup. We're trying something new here. We're trying makeup and hair, or what you guys call it, get ready with me. But we ain't going nowhere. We just doing a wig review. Does that make sense? So I will leave a link down in the description for the makeup. So if you're interested in the makeup, check it out. Let me know what you think. I need you guys to let me know if you want me to continue the makeup or just stick to the wig reviews, because you know, sometimes they'll be starting a channel with one thing and then they don't like the thing, even if that's what the audience is coming for, and then they just want to switch it up. I don't want to do that. Most of y'all here for the wig reviews, so I'm respecting your time and doing the wig reviews. But if you are interested in the makeup, I will leave the link and you will go to that link. And if it's one of those reviews where I have the makeup and the wig review, I will definitely leave a timestamp of where the wig review starts and where the makeup starts, so you're not wasting your time. I don't like to waste my time either, so that's why I respect your time and I'm placing timestamps for you. So if you got to end the video, you're the real MVP. Don't forget to like the video, share the video. I see you next week. Bye guys.